Hello everybody, Stephen Jondrew here from GonnaGeek.com and of course the Gonna Geek Gear YouTube channel. Today doing another unboxing. This time we're unboxing the Wink Hub 2. This Wink Hub 2 is going to replace my Wink Hub original. I'm very curious to see how it performs. I've read a lot of people that say that it does react a lot faster and respond a lot quicker than the Wink Hub 1. It also, of course, has the possibility of going to wired internet. That is something that if you've tried the original Wink Hub, you might have seen some Wi-Fi problems. I've run into a couple myself, so I'm looking forward to getting the Hub 2 hooked up wired. So let's just unbox it now. Before we get into it, we'll take a look all around. So on the front, it looks like this. On the side, you can see the full list of a whole bunch of different things that it does, including, of course, integrating with Amazon Alexa. Ooh! On the back, you got more information there, talking all about, again, what the Wink Hub, or what Wink is capable of. And then on the side, you got information here. So let's just start by sliding this off, if I can do that. It must be just friction, I think. I think it is just friction. Why is this not going? All right, let's see. It must be caught on a corner or something. Of course, this is happening during the unboxing, right? Come on. I know this is so riveting. Oh, it's actually sealed. I see there's actually right here a spot that I'm supposed to tear, which is frustrating. I don't want to, though. I want to keep this intact. I like this. It's annoying. All right. Well, then I just give up. I guess I got to do it. I got to do what I got to do. There we go. Yeah, it was all stuck in there. Darn. I wanted to keep that. That's why. It got me. Got me good. Oh, well. Is what it is. All right. So let's open up here. So inside we have the main unit. Oh, it's quite thin. I thought it was going to be thicker than that, but no, I think that that's actually smaller than the original unit, which is nice. So there it is there. And then inside we have, here we go. Here is the network cable that comes with it. Nice flat network cable, which is good. Makes it easier to tuck in different spots. And you've also got the power cord, which just seems to reach right under here. There we go. That's the power cord, and that's what's going to go right into the main unit here on the back. And of course, on the back, that's where you can actually see the network and the power. So pretty straightforward unboxing, other than that initial part where I had to realize that I had to tear that, which again, kind of frustrating. I wanted to keep it intact, but it is what it is. And I don't know, I just like to keep my boxes, so I'll probably just tape it because it looks good. And you never know when I'm going to need to hold up the box, of course, and make it look all nice. And I don't know, maybe put it on my backdrop or something for a podcast. But there you go. That is the unboxing of the Wink Hub 2 as the camera goes out of focus. There you go. There, little wink right there. It's wink. All right. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like unboxings and reviews and other tech stuff. That is youtube.com/GonnaGeekGear. And you can check out geeky content on the main YouTube channel. That is youtube.com/GonnaGeek. Thanks for watching.